Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. When writing content in your emails in Aweber, there's a lot of control you have over not only the design and the font choices, but also adding some other cool things to your text. And you can start editing text that exists in the template itself, or drag your own text block in if you want to. We'll type our text. And from here, it's a lot like any other text document you've worked with before. We can change around the font style. We've even got some web fonts to choose from. We can change around the size. Even the line height, you can double space, 1.5 space lines as well. And of course, again, the basic stuff, bolding, italicize, underline. We can change around the font color. We have a color palette picker, you can just type in the hex code. And if you're looking to create a bulleted list of sorts, you can do that as well. Let's type in real quick. We need point 1, point 2, and point 3. And again, just like a lot of the text documents you're already working with, it's just a matter of bulleting it with regular bullets, or maybe we want to do a numbered list. We can change around indentation. And the last thing I want to show off here is personalization. So let's say you type in hello at the beginning of your email, and you want your subscribers' first names to show up. Well, under personalize and subscriber info, you can choose either the full name or maybe just you want the first name. Now that variable also says fix in there, and that means if there's no data for that subscriber information, it's just going to be blank. No one's going to actually see that text there between the brackets. They'll either see their name or nothing. You can also create specialized additional personalization by creating custom fields for your landing page. For example, if you want to display your subscriber's favorite color, you can add it to a custom field, and then add it to the form on your landing page. That way you can use that data to further personalize your emails. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.